Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I am going to explain how to update your Visual Studio in Windows. So let's start. So first of all, open your Visual Studio. Then continue without code. Once you open your Visual Studio, then you can see the interface like this. And over here, you can see the help menu. So click on the help menu. And once you click on the help menu, you will get options like this. And here is the option check for updates. So click on the option. So once you click on the option, the Visual Studio installer will check for the updates. So wait for some time, and over here you can see the information. The current version is 7.1.6 and the latest version which is available is 17.8.5. So we want to update our current version from 17.1.6 to 17.8.5. So to update the Visual Studio version, click on the update option. Once you click on the update option, you can see the options like this. So wait for some time. So over here you can see, first of all, it has updated the Visual Studio installer. Now it is downloading and verifying the updates which is required, and by side it is also installing the packages which are required to update our Visual Studio version. So the time it will take depends upon the speed of your internet. And over here you can see the message Visual Studio has been successfully installed. We recommend rebooting soon to clean up any remaining files. So click on OK. So again open your Visual Studio. So over here you can see what's new. It will provide all the details of the new features which are included into this update, and then click on the help and click on the check for updates. So over here you can see we have already updated our Visual Studio. That's why it is showing the message Visual Studio is up to date. So this update process will take around 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes based upon the speed of your internet. So in this way we can update our Visual Studio. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.